Okay, so we're back on the camcorder being balanced on a printer because the tripod's still in the chapel. So we're going to run with the standard replacement mic. It's a Falcon FCB1281. If you saw the service video, at the end of the video we'll use the Falcon factory original microphone, which I've been able to repair. This is doing a full 4 watt output, it's doing receive better than the manufacturer says, about 0.4 microvolts, and these work well. Of course you need an electron microscope to read the meter, and these also appear as a binatone beam breaker, and also appear as a compact 40, and they also appear as a merit. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I'm ready and extension speakers in.
Roger, off we go.
Roger on that. I'm just going to unplug the extension speaker so you can hear the crummy 2.5 inch internal speaker.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we've got no tone control.
Roger.
Alright, we'll go back to the more normal speaker.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Roger. Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you, square wheel at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Good, well, there wasn't much of a wait there.
Roger.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
On Falcon FCB1281 from 1981. These are digital stuff made in Japan. And I want to stop the replacement mic and include a full 4 watt output over.
Roger that. Were you getting getting further away from the mic as you talk to me then?
I don't think I was, but you never know with me.
Yep, roger that. All received anyway. Just sounded a bit quieter as you tailed off.
Roger, Dodger. Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Falcon 1281 from 1981, doing a 4 watt output draw, 840 milliamps. We're going to go over to low power. It's 320 milliwatts on this radio. It won't set at 400, 320. Here we go, 54321. There we are at 320 milliwatts. The radio's going 400 milliamps current. And there we are back at full power, over.
Yep, roger that. No problems on full power. Bit noise on low power. You were mostly readable, but it does seem a little bit quieter than some sets.
Roger on that, no problem. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
level crossing. Over. Yeah, 141.1 and... No, sorry, 141.9 and 149.7.
Roger on that, right, work fine, thank you very much. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end today, please, over?
Yeah, 141.1 and... No, sorry, 141.9 and 149.7.
Roger on that, work fine, thank you very much, 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Right, well, there we go. We'll now go through with that mic and then we'll follow it with the other mic on our base station.
Tango 21 with the same standard replacement mic into our base station, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 from 3 to 1. Put it on low power. There we are on low power. This is there as a hum test. If there was a hum on high power, it would diminish on low power. There we are back on full power. Now I'll change mics to the factory original. And now testing on the factory original, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3 to 1 on full power. Pop it on low power. There we are on low power. Same reason as a hum test, back to full power. There we are back on full power. Tomorrow we've either got another GT868 or another kind of cybernet. So there we go. Thanks for watching the Falcon FCB1281 from 1981.